Hi, I hope you have a great day. First of all, I want to say thank you for purchasing my item and wish you good luck with your own project. Also, if you really like this template, please don't forget to rate it. It will mean so much to me. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use this After Effects file. So let's begin. First of all, what you want to do is you want to replace logo and the text. Open these three composition. The first one is the logo. I have imported here in assets folder of logos. If you have a black logo, make sure to hide the pumpkin to orient a bit more, like I have did. So scale it down and go back with the pumpkin, and it is inside of the pumpkin, so that matters. Hide the first one, and it will update immediately. The next thing you want to do is go to text replacement. I have pre-rendered "We wish you happy Halloween" for all of you that want this same message, but you don't have to install the font if you don't have it, and type it again. I have pre-rendered, and if you want your unique message, make sure to hide the text one, make visible the second one, and type your text. It will update immediately, and also in this one hide the pre-rendered one and type your text here, and it will update immediately in the settings. The next thing are these general settings. So go to general settings. You have a vignette around the video. The next one is grain. When you zoom it and press grain, it will take some time to process it because it really slow up your After Effects and slow up your render time. Be careful about it, because if you really want to make it faster render, and if it's slow, it is because of the grain. The next thing are dust and scratches, the old film look around these white particles. You can turn them off if you don't like it. I really do like it. It gives that depth. The next thing is chromatic aberration, these green and red edges. They also give the depth on the video, so I will leave them on. I will turn off the green to make it faster. And the last one is flicker, this white flicker around it. So if you turn it off, it will be a lot darker theme, but maybe you like it and you will turn it off. The second one are color settings. So you have pumpkin color, banner color. First I will make, I don't know, maybe some pink pumpkin and darker pink. I'll choose the same color and go again and make it darker to distinguish manner. That is good. And all first text and the second text have two full shadows behind them. So I will go with the maybe white text, and the first shadow I will choose something really distinguished, like this pale blue and the pale green one. Maybe I'll choose exactly the same one, then choose the green one, and that's good. And I have this 90s logo, this 90s text and the shadows behind them, and also I will do the same with the other text. So go to go white, blue, and green. And it will update. I think it looks cool. And also you can go to logo replacement and maybe go to effects and presets and type here fill to colorize your logo. Go with the white, like here, or maybe you want to type here the date of the party, maybe 31st October 2015. 2015, and it will update immediately here. I think it is pretty cool. The last thing you want to do is window color. Also, this window color on the church on the right side, I'll make them as well pink, and maybe I guess this is only to show you how to render. Make sure the main composition is selected. Go to composition, add to render queue, press here where it says lossless. I will choose maybe a QuickTime movie. Format options, choose one of them, animation H.264, JPEG 2000. I will choose animation, make it high, make sure audio output is selected. Wolf sound effect is included in the file, but audio from the preview video you can find on Audio Jungle. I will leave the link in the description of the file. Press OK, press here where it says main comp to select the output, where will your file be, and press render. So I guess that is it. I wish you all the best again with your project. If you have any questions, please contact me on my profile on VideoHive, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.